Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can stop someone from adding you to random Telegram group chat. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open the Telegram application on our phone, and then after the Telegram application has been opened, we can click on this button on the top left corner of our screen. Then we're going to select the settings option right here, and then on the settings option you can tap on the privacy and security setting. Okay, and just scroll down until you find the group and channel. So this one, tap on it. Then if you want to prevent someone from adding you to random Telegram group chat, you can select nobody. So nobody can add you to random group chat or random channel on Telegram. And once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark button. And alright guys, that's how we can stop someone from adding us to random Telegram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.